So we have seen the hydrostatic bearing. Now the energy losses in this hydrostatic bearing. What are the energy losses in the hydrostatic bearing that we are going to see? Very simple part, and it is easy to understand also. Let's see the total energy. The total energy loss in a hydrostatic step bearing consists of two factors, basically two factors. That is the energy required to pump the lubricating oil. Okay, to pump the lubricating oil, and energy loss due to friction. It is viscous friction. Okay. Now the energy EP. hmm, This energy EP required to pump the oil is given by. Energy of pump is given by this thing. EP is equal to Q Pi minus P0 mm cube by S. It is mm cube per second into Newton per mm square. So energy required to pump is this much. Q into Pi minus P0. We know that this is Pi, this is P0. 10 to the power minus 3 Newton meter per second, or you can say the watt. Now therefore the power of pump is what? Q is Q into Pi P0 and 10 to the power minus 6 in kilowatt. Okay. Now the kilowatt for pump is the power loss in pumping in kW, in kilowatt only. So the frictional power loss is determined by considering the elemental ring of radius r and having a radial thickness dr, which is illustrated in this figure. Okay. In previous thing also we have seen. So df is equal to mu a u by h. Now substituting this value, a is equal to 2 pi r dr. So u is equal to omega r 2 pi n by 60. Omega is equal to what? 2 pi n by 60 into r, and h is equal to s0. If you put this value, we get df is equal to 4 pi square by 60 mu n by h0 into r square dr. So the frictional torque is equal to what? The force into perpendicular distance. So r is the perpendicular distance and this is the force. So 4 pi square by 60 into mu n by 0 into r square is the force, multiplied by r we will get r cube. So integrating this term we get that the frictional torque is equal to what? This value. By solving this part, we come directly to this part, that is pi square by 60 mu n r o raised to 4 minus ri raised to 4 divided by ho. So the unit of frictional torque is Newton mm. Okay, and power is what? 2 pi n mtf by 16 10 to the power 6. 2 pi n by 16